Alfred's hunting some invisible something under here. He like put his head between, tried to squeeze his head between the stove and the. Alfred, what went under there? It makes me nervous. What went under there? Alfred, you're being a little rambunctious. Do I need to look under there with a? Oh, I have a flashlight right here. What are you looking at? Oh, there's the pill I dropped earlier. No, Alfred, no, that is my hyaluronic acid. Alfred, that's hyaluronic acid. For goodness sake. You okay? What do you want? You want me to help you? Like a detective? What is this? What? Is this some new moon action? What did you see? What? What are we? You're special, honey. I love you very much. I don't know what we're hunting, though. Whatever gets your instincts going, babe. What is going on, you guys? I just turned around to see this. I thought it was over. Oh my god. Okay, where's my detective light? What's going on? This must be... Oh! Oh, we got something. We got a little... Looks like a mama spider. What are you, just patronizing it? Or... Okay. Well, should I put her outside? What? Oh, hi, puppy. This is what the commotion's about. Oh, no, don't eat it. I mean, maybe eat it. Just... You're like a little Swiffer, buddy. You're getting white hair all over you from being down there. Oh, goodness. Are you eating it? Yeah, whatever gets you your protein, babe. You good? That was some serious hunting. Don't tell Alfred. He's still looking for it. Oh. Oh, no. I think he just noticed. I think he understood what I said. Yeah, Ronan ate it, buddy. I love you, Alfred. Here comes Papa Puppy. Papa Puppy coming to investigate, or just cry at the door, because catio time is over. All right, well, I'm sorry, buddy. I love you. Sweet boy.